Melchizedek.
You are a priest forever, in the line of Melchizedek.
The Lord's revelation to my Lord. Sit at my right hand until I make your foes your footstool.
You are a priest forever, in the line of Melchizedek.
The Lord will send from Zion your scepter of power. Rule in the midst of your foes.
You are a priest forever, in the line of Melchizedek.
With you is princely rule on the day of your power. In your holy splendor, from the womb before the dawn, I have begotten you.
You are a priest forever, in the line of Melchizedek.
The Lord has sworn an oath He will not change. You are a priest forever in the line of Melchizedek.